Everyone knows that gigabit fiber optic networks are going to revolutionize something. But what will be the gig's first broadly used killer app? Will it be streaming video or gaming? How about holograms or teleportation? Actually, the gig's first killer app is something that already affects us every day. Chattanooga was one of the first American cities to build a community-wide gigabit fiber network. And the first Chattanooga company to take full advantage of fiber's potential wasn't a high-tech internet startup. It was EPB, Chattanooga's electric power utility. EPB realized that this fiber network could revolutionize something taken for granted every day, the power grid. So EPB used fiber's potential to build a better grid, a smarter grid. The smarter grid is made up of thousands of sensors integrated into the power network. The low-latency fiber optic system lets these sensors communicate data on network conditions to each other and to EPB's command center in as little as 5 to 7 milliseconds. But how does an electric grid benefit from that kind of network latency? Let's say a storm damages equipment somewhere on the grid. On a traditional network, power would stay off as crews and trucks responded to areas of customer complaints. These crews would then spend hours searching for the damaged equipment, manually rerouting around damage, and then making repairs before power could be restored. If EPB's smarter grid is damaged, its sensors detect, report, and react to the problem, rerouting power through undamaged equipment nearly instantly. Power will be restored to most customers in seconds or less, and crews know exactly where to go for needed repairs to restore the rest. For a city the size of Chattanooga, power outages cost the community an estimated $100 million every year. It's not the power utilities that bear these losses. It's the companies they serve, like restaurants that can't prepare their product without power, and the waitstaff that loses its tip money as a result, the retailer that can't run its cash register, the manufacturer that has to stop production, and all the thousands of businesses that rely on computers and other electronic equipment to conduct essential day-to-day operations. But EPB's smarter grid is reducing power outage durations and cost by about 60%. That's $60 million saved for the Chattanooga community every year due to more consistent power delivery. Other smarter grid tools help customers monitor their power usage and improve energy efficiency in their homes and businesses. And the smarter grid saves Chattanooga more than money. Every year, it saves 350,000 miles of truck travel and 18,500 gallons of fuel, not to mention reducing power waste and theft. All told, the smarter grid is eliminating 52 million pounds of CO2 every year. And that's just what we're doing with Chattanooga's smarter grid today. Tomorrow, fiber optics and the smarter grid will be a perfect proving ground for alternative energy technologies like wind, solar, and storage. So stop looking for the gig's first killer app. Thanks to EPB's smart grid, it's already here in Chattanooga.